Hi everyone, this is James Wedding from Civil3D.com and Raider Consulting. This afternoon I just wanted to give you guys a quick version of my Autodesk University Telling the Floodplain Truth with Civil 3D class. So in this short video, I'm just going to look at how to use the export function from the HEC-RAS Import-Export extension. A couple of things that always catch people when they're trying to use this extension. One, they get caught up in the left and right view of the section of the channel as they're looking upstream or downstream. We'll be able to fix that over in HEC-RAS. The second thing that often catches people a little bit is that their sections extend beyond the surface data. If you do this, the export function will actually generate some erroneous data and will show that your banks lie in the wrong place. So you can see here all of my sections lie within the surface and we'll get a good export. Let's walk through the steps. First, make sure you've got a surface, some sample lines drawn that you want to use in HEC-RAS, some channel banks like I've got here in red dashes, and of course a stream. So first off, I need to convert those polylines into sample lines. I'm just going to go to the Profile and Section Views panel, pick Sample Lines. I'm going to press Enter to pull my alignment from a list. Now I can simply convert existing polylines into sample lines. And I'm just going to use a crossing window to pick the 7 section lines I've already drawn. I'll finish my selection and you'll see we have sample lines pointing left to right looking upstream. This is backwards from how HEC-RAS would prefer you do it, but we'll take a look at that in a second. Now let's use the export tool. So on my toolbox in tool space, I'm going to select HEC-RAS Export and double click to run the routine. When the dialog comes up, I'm just going to confirm some options here on the left side. I've got my surface, the site, and my reach alignment. I've got my sample line group, and I'm going to go ahead and select my top of banks, left and right. Remember, we're going to pick left and right based on looking upstream. So this is the left, and this is the right. And I'm going to put my stream name to match just in case. When I click Export, we're going to drop out an SDF file right into my Documents folder. So you'll see there it's in my Documents under a Geo type of file. I'll click OK, and now I'll move to HEC-RAS to import that file. Within HEC-RAS, I need to click on the Edit Geometry Data to bring up the geometry window. And now, to import the geo, it's a GIS format. So we select File, Import Geometry Data, GIS Format. I'm going to navigate to my Documents folder, and there's the StreamAGeo file I exported just a moment ago. Click OK, and now we'll walk through the import just to verify that all of our settings and options have come across cleanly. Next, there's the stream name, the number of points, 7 sections, and now I'm finished and I've got a stream. You'll notice that I have little red dots left and right of the channel showing the bank sections, but our arrow is pointing the wrong direction. Let's flip that around. Select the GIS Tools, Reach Invert Lines table, and flip chord order. Confirm this dialog and click OK. And now your stream is pointing in the right direction. If you want to flip your sections, you can do that as well using the GIS Tools XS Cut Lines table. That will allow you to flip your sections left and right. Remember, however, that HEC-RAS is a 2D analysis. It's going forward and backwards one section at a time and doesn't really understand what's happening in between. So if you use the left and right or right and left, it won't matter too much because the numbers will work out the same way. After you've completed your analysis, we'll talk about how to turn this data back into a SDF file where Civil 3D can make use of it and draw some profiles so you can create floodplains. Alright, hope you find this tool useful. Take advantage of what's in the Civil 3D box. And be sure to tune in to Raider Consulting and Civil3D.com for more in the future.